In this unit, we're talking about human population growth, which has been quite impressive over the last 100 years. Human populations grow by the same means as other populations. So births minus deaths equals the growth rate. This is complex, though, with people because we tend to think about things more than other animals do. We reason around our resource limitations and technology, and we think about reproductive behavior. So the rules that apply, or the rules that we've come up with to help us understand population growth with other animals, tend to be a little too simplistic for explaining human population growth. For instance, the human lifespan has increased in part because of better nutrition and medicine, which have increased the lifespan. Infant mortality has decreased, and the birth rate has decreased due to contraception. The human population growth rate has increased very much in the last 100 years. By 2016, there are over 7 billion people. The doubling time of the human population has increased as well, decreased. So that means that it takes less time for the human population to double than it used to. Basically, it means we're growing at a much faster rate than we did before. Technology has also increased food production, but unfortunately, starvation is still a problem, and that's a result of unequal distribution of food around the different countries of the world. So let's talk about this concept of demographic transition. This is a theory that proposes progressive demographic time periods of human population growth. So human populations tend to start out with birth and death rates being roughly equal. So the population is in equilibrium with the environment. Society starts to develop, medicine and food production improve, and this allows the birth rate to overtake the death rate, so the human population increases rapidly. Next, agrarian lifestyles, which tend to have as a benefit many children to help with labor, become less common. Children become a liability in urban settings. Medical advancement then decreases infant mortality, so urban populations increase rapidly. Towards the end of the demographic transition, industrialized countries have lower birth rates because they're using contraception, and the increased population tends to strain the environment and the resources. And this is something that we'll talk about in the next unit with the human intervention with the natural world.